Now let me show you how we're going to use the PL400EF to transfer the patient from the wheelchair to the bed. You'll notice the PL400EF uses a 2-point spreader bar. Not too difficult to figure out. Let's open up the base, approach the patient with the lift. But instead of using multiple hooks, we're just going to connect all of the loops, meaning the shoulder and the leg, to the same hooks on each side. So shoulder and leg. Let's raise the patient out of the chair and transfer the patient to the bed. Close the base. Now you can see we can transfer the patient into the bed. So you can see you can easily transfer a patient from the floor with the PL400EF.